Nonfiction. Time for kids. Essential question. How do things get built? Read about building a ship. The joy of a ship. Ships take people and things all over the world. How does a ship get made? Find out here. What is needed to build a ship? Making ships employs many workers. This task uses lots of tools and parts as well. Let's see how a ship is made, step by step. These people study the plans for the ship. There are many things to do. Frame it. First, workers build a frame. The ship can balance on blocks up above a dock. Huge cranes hoist the big parts in place so they do not fall. Workers must avoid being bumped by these big pieces of steel. Some huge gantry cranes can lift 1,500 tons, as high as 230 feet in the air. Sheets of steel. First, two kinds of metal are melted into steel. It boils. Hot steel flows into flat metal sheets and molds. When steel gets cold, it gets hard. The steel sheets are then ready for making a ship. Stand back. The steel is very hot. A worker joins each steel section by heating the edges, called joints. Most workers put on gloves and a helmet to protect their hands and head. Check it. Paint it. Workers check all the joints. Then they point out leaks and fix them. If a joint leaks, the inside of this ship will be moist with water. It might even sink. Then, the ship is painted, and this job is done. It gleams in the sun. The workers knew it would look nice. People will pay a lot of money to ride on this ship. Out to sea. The people on the dock point with joy as the new ship begins the first trip. Those on the ship wave as it glides toward the open sea. Did you know? There are many kinds of ships on the sea. Icebreaker ship, aircraft carrier, cargo ship. Make connections. What steps in shipbuilding are risky?